Morning, guys. Well, some records for gold trading, and that's my expert advisor, which is specially edited for gold prices. In fact, gold trades. So it only trades micro lots, as you can see, and it trades with stop loss, and it works with trailing stop loss, and so all the risk is calculated. So the history is there. As you can see, the other pairs have done manual trades on there, and today for gold it's this. I have quite different settings today, and it started performing well. So this is, and that's a real account. Thank you for watching. The other trades is on its way, and you can see the trailing stop has worked here as well. So commission is 5 as long as it is working over 40 cents, 50 cents. That's pretty okay. Let's just closed it. 2 cents, that's the price fluctuation. So once the trailing goes above, it started working well. So I'll wait here, and we'll show you if it opens next trade and see how it goes. So meanwhile, you can subscribe to my channel, and I'll be posting everyday videos over here on the conclusion of a day. So let's see. Waiting for the another trade. It normally opens in a very quick way. Let's see. And there we have it, the another one with the stop loss, as you can see. Waiting is quite difficult. Anyway, I just came into the profit. Let's see how it goes and how much time it's taking. The market will be in a quick move, as it's a New York session. I'm going to give the real account. And yes, the minimum deposit can be just $200, and you can have a leverage of 200, 400, as much as you can. So the count can go. The candle movement is quite it's stuck in a range, and I'm getting annoyed now because I really don't want to wait for too long. And to explain you about this strategy, it is a slow process, and obviously I've set the algorithm to cents, so it will not be risking much more of your account, but it is making trades every single minute after closing it. So you can have enough money if you can keep it running every day, and I believe it can make you 100% of your deposit every month if you will let it work, and do not interrupt it. So I believe this will work for you. I'm going to close the video here, and I will update the results tonight probably, or on Monday, continuing with this gold trades. So hit the subscribe button. I'm new here, just support me, and I will keep on adding the videos to this channel so you can have a look. Thank you. Bye bye.